Now we will write one example that I equal to x power 20 e power x. E power x, some function after integration, some unknown number, anyway it is real number. They will ask you only this unknown number k. How to find that k value is 20 factorial. Positive, because it is even number, therefore positive answer. That is the reason integration, not only solution, not even formula, not only the ideas where you get answers. In that answer, some part unknown. They will ask you that unknown number. These cases many times we are getting in this. Okay. This is about in the by parts. One combination algebraic exponential. Instead of even number, if they write, then what is k value? Minus 2019 factorial, because it is odd number. Okay, now in this by parts only, next combination we are writing is about see I is equal to x sin x. Here algebraic trigonometric function. As per the rule, x only first function, trigonometric is second function. Then fx into integral g minus integral f dash integral g as per rule. Then minus x cos x minus minus plus integral cos x is sin x. No confusion. Derivative of cos is minus sin, whereas integral is plus only. Therefore, answer is finished. This is called by parts for the combination x sin x. Now I write second problem, x square sin x. Then as usual, x square into minus cos x minus integral 2x minus cos x. Then again there is a product, still we have product here, continue further here only, again by parts apply for this also. Therefore minus x square cos x 2 times x into cos x integral sin x minus integral sin x integral again. Then what is final answer we have is here. If you finish the solution, see minus x square cos x 2 times x sin x minus minus plus integral sin is minus cos. Now answer is finished. This is about the process for algebraic trigonometric when one power x given, one time by parts. When two powers given, two times by parts. Now I am writing 3 times x cube sin x. X cube sin x, definitely 3 times you have to do. X power 4 cos x, 4 times you have to do. X power 5 sin x, 5 times you have to do. Where takes more time, which is objective type. You cannot go for solution. You cannot go for formula. Now I am going for third level. What is that? Answer direct. Okay. Now you see. I will not apply by parts only. Integration by parts I will not apply. This rule I will not apply. What is the algebraic function? First write down. What is trigonometric function? Separately write down. All derivatives write down. Single function you know derivative. All integrals single function write down. Therefore 3x square 6x 6 up to constant. Here integration sin integral minus cos integral minus sin, again integration cos x. Now level one extra cos integral sin. Leave this. You put these alternate arrows diagonally. All these alternate arrows are called alternate sign. That is your answer. You can check with ABCD directly. What is this product? Minus x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x plus 6x cos x minus 6 sin x. Answer is finished. You are not going for 3 times. You are not even applying by parts. This way of writing ideas are more useful when you go for options A, B, C, D. Where is this answer? You can check. Now I will show you this answer. Already you have a full method here. See, x square sin x given x square sin x, 2x 2 minus cos x minus sin x, one extra, finish, alternate, plus minus plus. What is first term? Suppose if this answer is in ABCD, correct? This is in answer A. What is your first term? Minus x square cos x, minus minus plus 2x sin x, plus 2 cos x. Answer is in A, na? Answer you are putting. No method, no formula, no by parts even. That idea will help you. Like this you have so many things in calculus particularly. Then it is very easy for you how to finish it. I wrote cos x because the combination is algebra trigonometry. This I will show you. You practice 5 problems until you get speed. It is not the reason only you know the formula. It is the reason that speed. To get the speed, you have to practice number of problems. Now, derivatives 5x power 4, 20x cube, 60x square, 120x, 120. All derivatives finish. Integration 1 by 1 minus cos x minus sin x, cos x, sin x minus cos x, 1 extra minus sin x. Then alternate arrows. Answer is finished. This is what the combination algebra trigonometry by parts, a separate method. Okay? So 2 combinations finish. Algebra exponential, algebra trigonometry. Next we go for algebraic and logarithmic. Now you see, I is equal to x log x. Here this is algebraic and logarithmic. L. As per Euclid rule, which is first here? L. Before A, L is there. This must be first function. This is second function. Otherwise you will not get solution. Impossible. So, log x only first. Then f of x into x integral x square by 2 minus integral f dash x into x square by 2 dx. Then x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4. Okay? Because smallest steps are not important. When you go for important steps, negligible steps. What is that negligible here? One x cancel. We are not showing. In fact, cancellation is not allowed during process of integration. As per solution is concerned, as per subject, the first failure nowadays people are doing cancellation. Cancel. Impossible. Okay? Because it is anyway time here. So I am telling you reason. Everybody is doing, you are also doing, I don't want, but I follow subject matter only. Cancellation is not allowed. X cancel, 1 by 2 outside, x dx, x square by 2, totally by 4, answer is finished. Now I will give you shortest form of this. Take x square by 4 outside, 2 log x minus 1. This is the best answer, simplest answer. This will be in ABCD. So, now, one power I wrote x here in the combination of algebraic logarithmic. Now I will take x square log x. Second problem, I is x square log x. In this, as usual, like in the above, this is first, this is second. Then f of x into x cube by 3 minus integral 1 by x cube by 3. What is cancelled? 1 x cancel. 1 x cancel. 1 by 3 is outside. X square integral x cube by 3. All finish. Answer only. In this also I will simplify now. Taking that x cube by 9 outside. 3 log x minus 1. Why this much I am writing? There is a reason. You can get one idea how you are getting answers. Based on these answers, you can give answer for any number hereafter if I am giving x cube log x, x power 4 log x, but in general, very important is x power n log x. This is useful. If you know how you got answer, based on that, you can guess the answer here. Here also you can guess the answer. Based on that, in general, how to write answer. This becomes formula for you in synopsis. Okay, see. When power is 1, 1 plus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1. Okay? When power is 2, 2 plus 1 whole square, 2 plus 1. Then, when power is 3, what is the answer? 3 plus 1 whole square, 3 plus 1. Then here how to write? Answer is 5 by 5 square into 5 log x minus 1. Now consider this as a formula in your synopsis. We didn't write in the beginning. In between now we are getting extra things. Answer for this how to write now? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square multiplied by n plus 1 of log x minus 1. Whatever number is given, you are writing. Now, what is the answer for x power 2020 is equal to x power 2021 by 2021 whole square into k log x minus 1 plus c. Where is unknown? K. That is why I told you. Some number they will keep secret unknown. Here or here or here. Now they want this k value. What is this k value? 2021. You know n plus 1? This is your formula. Therefore, that is the reason I gave you 2-3 examples. Other example you are writing answer. In general for any n, how to write? N is positive integer. Okay? That is not any other. So, is called algebraic logarithmic. Here sometimes only logarithm combination also they are asking. That means only log x, suppose log x whole square, whole cube, these are all problems we have. Suppose if you take first problem, we cannot integrate. We cannot in the sense we do not know. So far, whatever results we have, not useful. Okay? You cannot even substitution. There is no simplification. You cannot do by parts. But you have to do by parts only. When you want to apply by parts here, we need product of two functions. That is the reason. Assume that second function is 1. Okay? Into 1. Then this is first f and this is g. Then process you can continue. Fx into integral g. Integral 1 minus integral f dash x into integral g. What is f dash x? 1 by x. X cancelled. 1. That 1 by x writing cancel, number of steps not important. Okay. Therefore, what is integral 1 dx means? X. X is common. That also I am not writing. We have to reduce. Every step is not important. Maximum 1 step or 2 steps. Next you have to go to answer only. So improve like this. Therefore x is common. X into log x minus 1. Sometimes what happens, little bit confusion they create. Here duplicate answer I am writing. Because 1 is nothing but log x minus log e only. 1. Log e is 1 because base is e. 1. Log m minus log n. Therefore log of m by n. This is also possible. In national exams, mains and other exams, generally duplicate answers also we must be ready. Hence this is also chance. This is about log x into 1. Then if you take log x whole square, same process, we have to continue into 1 only. Then as usual, f of x, g of x. Then what is the answer after by parts? Fx into integral g minus integral f dash into integral g. Because log x whole square derivative 2 log x into chain rule. Log x derivative 1 by x, integral 1 to x, x cancelled. 2 is outside, only log x remains. Again it is unknown only, still you have to continue. That means x into log x whole square minus 2 times, already we have answer here, x log x minus x. Entire x is common, take outside, log x whole square minus 2 log x minus minus plus 2, answer is finished. Now we are here, this is important. How to write answer now? Already I gave first answer and second answer. These two answers will give you some idea that to guess any problem, how to write the answer, you can guess it now. Suppose if I take log x whole cube, I is equal to, x will be outside common for every problem. X is outside, every problem. Start with the same problem, power as it is. Whole square given, whole square. This power multiplied. Reduce one power, alternate side. Again multiply. Reduce one power means 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Answer is finished. Now answer can be here. Start with same whole cube minus 3 multiply whole square plus 2 multiply 6 into log x. What is next? 6 into power 0 1. Answer is finished. This is the procedure. Now I want to answer for log x whole power 4. It takes actually 4 times by parts. Not possible. How you can answer? Give the answer here. X into whole power 4 minus plus 4 times whole cube, 12 times whole square, 25 times 1 plus 24. Now I am giving different type of question. If log x whole power 5, reverse problem. Every time I am giving reverse problems, they will write answer. Some place will be unknown. Now you see x into g of x plus k plus c. How to write k value? What is your answer here? 24. What is power given? 4. What is relation between them? Earlier also I gave 4 factorial. 6, 3. What is relation? 3 factorial. Odd number minus. Even number positive. Then what is k value? Only positive 4 factorial. Now answer tell me. Log x whole power 20 compulsory number important. Then how to write x into, they will write here g of x plus k plus c. What is k value? 20 factorial positive, because it is even number. Hence in the combination of logarithmic alone, how to write. Now a general rule also I will give you. If possible, you can take this into your synopsis list. What is the general? Whole power n. See, log x whole power n is equal to x into log x whole power n minus n into log x power n minus 1 plus n into n minus 1 into log x whole power n minus 2 minus so on plus so on minus 1 power n, because either even or odd, we do not know. It depends on given value minus 1 power n into what will be here? N factorial. and then plus constant. So you can take this also as a general formula for logarithmic function alone. Any power given, positive power only, positive integer only. You will not get negative number or fractions. There is no question of giving negative number fractions. Okay. Why you are telling no negative number or no fractions means there is a reason. You can understand why I told you. What is the answer? You are ending with n factorial. Factorial of any number is defined only when it is natural number. That is the reason you will get only natural number. Okay? Hence, in the by parts, this is our combination. Then, if they give combination with algebraic and inverse, as per the rule highlight, which is first, this is first function, this is second function. Okay? First method, apply by parts, you will get the answer. Second method, change the problem. You remove the inverse, eliminate the inverse function. Inverse trigonometry. How to eliminate inverse? Substitute something. What is that something here? Assume that sin inverse x equal to theta. Then x equal to sin theta. Then dx equal to cos theta d theta. Then problem becomes x sin theta, sin inverse x is theta, dx value cos theta d theta. Now you have come with theta into sin theta cos theta together as a trigonometry. This is algebraic. Now you have got algebraic trigonometric combination. By parts you can apply. You can write this as half sin 2 theta also. Continue further, you will get the answer. This is called the second method to evaluate this integral. Not only in the beginning, first method is this one or this is second method. In the combination, algebra, inverse means any inverse function, sin, cos, tan, anything. You can come with one answer. Okay, this is about in by parts. But there are some problems like log x. You have to use by parts only. One concept I will tell you. To apply by parts for the functions of the form, all inverse functions, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse, all 6, comma, all logarithmic problems, log x, whole square, whole cube, so on. That is why I told you. Then algebraic functions, root of a square plus x square, a square minus x square minus a square. In all these problems, you have to apply by parts only by assuming 1 as second function. Log x derivative already gave you proof into 1 everywhere. This is one concept question, and otherwise you know already formula. Root a square plus x square, these 3 results already you have, which are there in derivations for PUC also. So that's not difficult. So I am not writing formula for that. So that is where you will get by parts product of 2 functions, how to finish. Here one special formula is there, one particular combination left over, which is very useful nowadays. They are asking in the combination of e power x, they will give you a function plus derivative, sin x derivative, cos x. Next, a function plus x derivative, a function e power x compulsory and their derivative. Now already you have got this idea. It is there in PUC. In general, what I should write? E power x into a function plus x derivative, f dash. Then what is its answer? E power x into that function only. E power x into f of x. Only you have to decide where is that function, where is the derivative. They will not give you ready-made. First only function, next derivative. They will not tell you. You have to rearrange. Here it is okay, direct arrangement. Rearrangement will carry more solution. After that answer writing, everybody will give answer. If I give you this ready-made directly, all will give. This is F, this is F dash. F, F dash. F, F dash. Sometimes it is difficult to arrange them into function and its derivative. And also we need sum only, plus only, not minus. Therefore, that will take time. How you will adjust? With this formula, one problem we discussed with adjustment. Okay, that problem your 9th, 10th worksheets already have received. In that 9th worksheet, you consider problem number 12. Okay, problem number 12. Here, see. Integral cos x minus 1 by sin x plus 1 e power x. Whenever there is e power x combination, definitely this result only. Easy to decide answer. Only you are doing solution for makeup, arrangement, sum of function derivative. Here also we need some e power x is there anyway. Separate the denominator, cos x by sin x plus 1 plus. We need plus. Otherwise you cannot apply that rule. That's why I wrote plus. But they gave in problem minus. Therefore this minus you take inside. Now you have to arrange. Verify which is F, which is F dash. Assume that this is F. Find derivative u by v rule. What is u by v rule? Sin x plus 1 whole square. Sin x plus 1 cos x derivative minus sin x minus cos x into sin x plus 1 derivative cos x. Simplify. Minus sin square x minus sin x minus cos square x by 1 plus sin x whole square. What is first to last? Minus common, 1 only. Therefore minus 1. Minus 1 minus sin, minus common. What is outside now? Minus of 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin whole square. One factor cancel. What is remaining? Therefore, whenever this is F4, we are getting F dash over. Arrangement over. You are able to guess what is F4. Then what is the answer? E power x f of x. Hence e power x into cos x by 1 plus sin x plus. This is what? The combination. So called e power x into a function plus one particular result I will tell you here. Very rare to get. Very rare. By chance if they give. When it is possible minus. Okay. E power minus x into f of x minus f dash x. Answer is minus e power minus x into, only in this case there should be minus sign. Then they will give minus. Then this is your answer. Very rare out of 1100 problems, nearly one problem possible in this way. But that also we are not missing. By any chance, unexpected question if they select, in that one of the three will be this model. So when there is minus, then only it is possible minus. Otherwise, majority of the problems will be plus in between. So called a separate result for the combination e power x into a function plus its derivative. Now this is also finished. Now we are going to integration of partial fractions. Very important.